Thank you, Mars. Next, we have Alvin Ignacio.
Hey, Arjo. I'm
Hello po.
Hello. I just have a question. Since you're serving two masters right now, which is showbiz and politics, amongst them, which makes you happier and ano yung mas nakapagbigyan sa'yo ng fulfillment?
Oh, wow. Wow, it's a very nice question. Choosing between two different fields, two different fields, boy. I can't explain. Fulfillment. I don't. How should I say? I help people because I have to and I can. Fulfillment is not even a feeling. Fulfillment, I feel once I've done something as a whole. Once there is something, that's when I feel fulfilled. Not really helping. I can't explain, but it's really hard to explain. It's a very hard question. It's a very personal question. I take it personally. It's not about fulfillment. On the side of helping, I just want to help and I can. We wanted to make a change. I said in this area, I can't do it for the whole Philippines. I'll do it here, and we've been doing it for 2 years so far, so good. With the other side of acting, that's my playground. As a person, hanap buhay ko din po. That's where also I started. That's where I know people. That's why also partly I'm here. Kinalaman na rin po yan sa showbiz ko, of course, for awareness. And I won't take that away. It's reality. But again, fulfillment siguro po as a whole, I feel fulfilled on both, no? But really more on acting side personally, but on the helping side, I know it's more than it's not a fulfillment. I can't explain. I just really have to, I want to help. I can help. So it's my mentality when it comes to that side po. Yan po. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thanks, Alvin.
Salamat, Alwin!
Chuk, nasan ka ba?
Dito kay Joey Austria, sorry, ito po ako.
Ayan.
Yes, po.
Si Joey, may tanong, Joey Austria from Showbiz on the Go, tama ba?
At saka ito palang latest ng Diwa 1206. Congratulations, Tom. Curious question lang. So, naka 1 year na kayo ni May. So, could you share to us yung naging journey ng inyong as husband and wife na? And kung nagkaroon na ba ng petty tampuhan, how did you resolve it?
Opo, pwede na po. I think that's normal naman po, pero nothing big. We haven't fought. I'm very happy. Our journey has been nothing but great. We're growing together. And I'm just very blessed that it's her. At the same time, ano po, masarap po sa feeling ng may asawa as well. She's made it easier. She's been very more understanding, especially with the demand of both jobs that I'm in right now. And yun lang po, her support, her care for me is on a different level. So I'm just really blessed. So,
Thank you, Tom.
thank you po.
Maraming salamat, Joey Austria.
We have here, of course, Cesar of Net25.
After Cesar, ang next na question from GMA News Online, Nerissa Almo, Cesar.
Hello, Tom.
Hello po.
Kuha lang kami ng update for the lineup of this at kung anong update dito sa itinatag mo ng QC Laban. Kasi this is starting to 2022. Kung may bibigay ka lang po sa amin.
Opo, well, there's a lot of people on the list. I think we could give it. Dun sa list lang ate, ng QC Laban.
This was a third edition of the QC Laban.
Uy, nakadala yung QC Laban
Yeah.
mo.
Ito na po yan, but it's gonna be bigger. Sorry, but I don't want to miss out on anyone. We have Carla Cray, DJ Carla Cray. We have Silent Sanctuary. We have Delao. We have Al James. We have, of course, our brother, Yolo Pascual. And then, of course, we have Miss Casey Tandingan. And, of course, my idol, Bamboo.
Wow.
So ito po, thank you, Ate. It's very big of an anniversary because not only is it the QC Laban and actually the third already, but it is also the 85th founding anniversary of Quezon City. So it's a tied-up partnership po with Mayor Joy Belmonte because obviously with the last QC Laban also the PICA, it has been a very big impact, no, to the youth as well. To the rest na rin po, hindi na rin mga youth, sa akin na rin po. And everyone enjoyed it. So we just wanted to pursue for another year to give fun to the community and to the whole of Quezon City.
Same pa rin po sa QC Circle pa rin po.
Opo. Ngayon po, it's all the congressmen now, Vice Mayor and Mayor Joy Belmonte as the head, of course po.
Thanks, Cesar.
Thank you po.
We have Miss Marie Chris Nicasio.
Yes.
Hello po. Hello.
Hi, Arjo.
Hello po. Thank you po.
Congressman pala, sorry.
Okay po.
Kasi curious lang kami, since na busy ka, your politics and your career sa showbiz. Pero fresh ka pa rin and guwapo pa rin as ever. Paano daw ang pag-aalagang ginagawa sa iyo?
Alaga po. And how do I keep myself healthy? At least po, I think I try to eat healthy as much as I can. Dahil nga po, there are times na obviously pag umiikot sa campaign and all this stuff, hindi tayo nakakapili ng food na masyadong healthy. So, on my own po, I just try to eat healthy, at least work out once a week. And yeah, yun lang po.
So nagluluto siya sa'yo for you?
Yes po, of course. Pero sometimes kasi obviously busy din po. So pagkagabi, pagod na rin kami. So normally of course we have food ready na rin po.
Last na lang, ano daw yung favorite na niluluto for you?
Pasta po, pasta. Yes. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Okay, ang susunod pong magtatanong ay si Archie Yao. Excuse me.
Good evening ko. Nag-isa-batas na yung Eddie Garcia bill. Tapos tawag dito, very timely ngayon yung issue ng mga sexual harassment at saka sexual abuse sa mga artista. No? So as bilang galing sa showbiz, ano yung mga panukala para magprotektahan mo ang mga co-workers sa showbiz?
Opo, that is one thing that has been happening in the last 2 weeks after the issues popped out regarding the sexual harassment. It is yet to be studied po. We'll let you know definitely an update on this. But as we move forward po, of course, I can't say much. There are legalities on the line as well. No? But definitely, we are in support to, of course, no sexual abuse. And hindi naman po yan yung industry ang kinikilala ko din po. That is not the industry I grew up in. There is no truth sa panglahatan ng LGBT na ganun sila. There's no proof to that. No? I beg to disagree also to nalalahatin pero merong iilan. No? And they have to pay the price for what they have done. No? And I agree with that. Pero definitely sa panukala po, hindi ko na po para paunahan, but definitely we have the House of Congress, open live Facebook po regarding all these bills and all amendments that have to be done to make sure that the safety of the young men and adults, of course, in general, are all secure po. So maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Archie.
Kapatid,
Yes po.
may question ng
Yes po.
GMA7 News Online.
Going there na po. A
Miss-
request lang po to everyone for all your content, your
Miss
social
Teresa.
media posts. Baka po pwedeng gamitin ng hashtag Arjo Ataya Thanksgiving para we can see it at i-share namin kina Arjo. Thank you.
Hello. Sorry, Jimmy Entertainment.
Hello po. Hello po.
Ayan. Nag-mention na kanina na hinahayaan mo na yung management mo with regard to projects na kukunin mo. Pero may conditions ka ba, like especially now na representative ka na ng QC, to kung ano yung mga pwede at hindi. Like, for example, this bag na medyo may politics issue, di ba? May mga conditions ka ba gano'n?
Wala naman po. Kasi I started Bagmans even before I became a congressman. So it's for people to think. You know? Definitely, this is not what I do. So I'm doing it. It's a story to tell. You know? And definitely, it has nothing to do with my political career at all. It wasn't a target. As I said from the beginning, we did this 2017. Way back before I was bago po ako naging representative dito sa Distrito 1. So it's way beyond the campaign period as well. So I just wanted to continue because it's a beautiful story. It's a good political drama story that I think people should watch. And yun po, the way it was done po kasi this time, obviously, as we went along, give Hello? Ayun po. Given that there are more productions included, the budget's higher, everything's bigger. Of course, the opportunity of working with Ate Juday is fantastic. Tito John Arcilla, who I've worked with again, so I'm very happy to be working with him. And of course, the rest of the cast, no? To Pete, a lot to mention po. So, yeah, very blessed for this opportunity again to come back. And, yun po.
Thank you, Neri. Ayan, Rose Garcia, may question.
Yan, hello po.
Hello po.
Yan, Arjo, kasi syempre, in a way, nasubaybayan ka namin mula na nagsimula ka sa showbiz. Kasi ngayon, isa ka ng congressman at the same time, may buhay, may asawa ka na rin. Pag titignan mo yung sarili mo ngayon, ano yung mga nabago kay Arjo? Ano na din yung mga pananaw mo na iba na kumpara noon?
Parang wala masyado. A lot of things then go. Definitely, I'm the same. It's just the same thing. I'm the same guy. It's just that there's more maturity, there's much more responsibilities as I grow up. That's the way I see it. Nothing changed. Madami lang po talagang ginagawa. That's about it. Hindi ko po makita yun. But definitely yung pananaw, that's all because of the wisdom of the people around me, the people that I've been working with. Mula po nung provincial days pa kay dito Eddie Garcia, ang dami ko na natatanggap na words of wisdom. And definitely, as I grow up, I just really learn more on how to, more than pananaw, madami ko pong pwedeng sabihin, but more than that, it's more of how I handle myself, how I handle situations, how I accept everything in a different way, not a different perspective, but more of a different way of handling things and getting to where I want to, and how I want to help people, or either how to help people or how I actually work in my showbiz career as well.
Connected pa rin, pero bilang may asawa, may nabago din ba sa'yo?
Of course po, of course. A lot. I don't, hindi ko ma-explain, it sounds cheesy, but I don't feel responsibility. I just really feel like I have a best friend with me, a wife, that I'm just really enjoying the journey with her. So hindi ko po ma-explain further how much else, but I really love her. And sa kanya po, of course, the way I handle things, or priorities na lang po. Yun na lang po siguro nag-change, priorities. But us itself, we're just growing together. That thing I'm very blessed to have.
Okay, thank you, Arjo. Congrats.
Thank you po.
Thanks, Rose. We have Candice of Bush.
Hi, Kong Arjo. Congrats.
Hello po.
Ano pa yung nasa bucket list mo ni May na gusto nyo puntahan? Travel getaway nyo? Hindi nyo ba napuntahan? Next.
I'm not so sure, pero we're thinking somewhere siguro po sa States again, or in Europe. But definitely, she loves traveling. I also love traveling. So during breaks or whenever we can, we'll explore to different, siguro po our next might be Europe again, hopefully. But not for a long time kasi nga po, we have work to do for the next months. But definitely, as soon as I'm free, makalawang kahit a few days off, definitely I prioritize going out on a vacation with her.
Tonight we're celebrating your awards,
Okay.
Thanksgiving. Pero ano yung best celebration that you've ever had sa buong buhay mo? Top of mind.
Best celebration? Yeah, my wedding. My wedding was still the best celebration. It's still one thing I'd be always, I don't know, out of words to say, but always be thankful that I could wake up next to her every day. So, thank you.
Thanks, Candice. I think kapatid, down to our last question.
Hindi,
Okay ka ba?
Tawagin mo yung last mo, meron akong last.
Okay, we have Carlos Aragon.
Carlos Aragon from Kapamilya, tumutulong sa atin. Hi, Carlos.
Hello po. Congratulations. And
Thank you po.
kung darating ang araw na kailangan mo nang mamili, Ano pipiliin mo? Politician or actor?
It's a very hard question. Because I do both not because I can't explain. It's just not out of being selfish. But I can't answer. It really depends on the situation, no? Hindi dahil sa patapos na yung career, what? I'm a character actor. I think, I still label myself as a character actor. So, I think, hirap naman ang tanong to. Okay, I just say it like this, in this way. It's so hard. As long as the people trust me, as long as the people need me, as long as I can serve the people, I will stay. In my acting career, I think I'll try acting. I think I want to grow up acting, so that's one thing that I really want to do. Hindi ko po alam kung hanggang saan. Of course, it will be different when you have all these priorities. But I think once an actor, always an actor. You see them all coming back. And as an actor, I totally don't judge them for that. There's always a reason to come back. They always call you, as I always say. Mapatheater man yan, kahit anong play or TV, big, small, doesn't matter. As I said, once an actor, always an actor. It's always going to be the same. Okay.
Maraming salamat. Joe, bago tayo mag-proceed sa next segment natin, for our last question, Mr. Jobert Sucaldito.
Oh, nice Jobert.
Yan ang mga gustong-gusto niya, siya yung finale. Nay!
Di ba? Ito maganda yung etching to eh. Sobrang etching.
Diba naman?
Diba, ganito lang yan. From the very first day I saw you, and I was able to talk to you, to this very moment, you made us all proud, actually, of what you have become. Okay. Ngayon, itatanong ko lang sa iyo, yung priority, yung sunod-sunod na priority, who are you first? A son? A husband? A big brother? An actor? Or a public servant? According to importance.
Ulit, son, husband,
Big brother,
actor, and politician.
because you excelled in all of them, as I know. Alin ang sunod-sunod na priority? Who are you first? Son, husband, brother, actor, public servant. Total last question na rin lang, di ba?
4 lang po yun, ah.
5.
Sorry, what's the fifth?
Son, husband, brother, actor, politician.
Okay. Husband, first, son, brother, politician, actor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc.
Maraming salamat. Ulit, Archa, ulit sa husband,
Husband, son,
brother,
actor.
politician.
Politician, actor.
Politician, actor. In that order. Husband, son, brother, politician, actor. Palakpakan natin si Arjo! Ayan! Punta tayo sa pinaka-exciting part. Arjo, stay with us. I want to call Miss Tess Gubi of Star Magic.
Bago umalis ang ating mga bisita, as promised,
Siyempre,
meron po
Christmas
tayo.
party to!
Huwag na po natin i-live stream or i-video or i